trainer kit. In this kit, we have to find out the resonance frequency for series resonance and parallel resonance and verify it with theoretical values. Formulas are given in the manual. Diagram is like this one. Now we will start the experiment. Connect function generator to the input. As per formula, our resonance frequency is coming around 32 kilohertz. We will verify practically. Now, as the resonance frequency is around 32 kilohertz, we will take measurements for frequency from say 10 kilohertz to 50 kilohertz. Every time we will measure the output. For measuring the output, we have to keep this switch to AC voltage position because we are giving sinusoidal wave as an input to this parallel resonance circuit. First we will check parallel resonance, then series resonance. Okay. Now I will start. See. For 2.5 kilos it is around 2.5 volt. For 5 kilohertz 2.7. For 10 kilohertz 3.2. For 15 kilohertz 3.87. So likely we will go on varying the frequency. Now take a reading of say 25 kilohertz. For 25 kilohertz output voltage is 5.2. Now I will move to next range. Now I will go to 30 kilohertz now. Thirty kilos it is 5.8. 40 kilohertz 6.7. Now I will slowly increase the frequency. See here in output is now dropping, so I will adjust the exact frequency now. So 44 kilohertz frequency you will get the maximum output. Below this now this output will start decreasing. As well as above this frequency output will start decreasing. Now see here I am reducing the frequency, output has reduced, and I am increasing the frequency above 42. Again output has started reducing. So around 42 kilohertz is our practical frequency, whereas we are getting theoretical frequency 32 kilohertz. The difference is because of tolerance for inductor and capacitance. This capacitor has almost 50% tolerance, so we have to take into consideration and then take the readings. This way we have verified parallel resonance. Now we will check and verify series resonance circuit. So I am applying here sine wave input to this series resonance circuit. Here we are measuring the current in series resonance. So I am putting this multimeter in current mode and measuring the AC current. I am keeping at 20 milliampere. काय आता फ्रिक्वेन्सी आपली 11-12 किलो. So we will observe resonance frequency for series resonance. So I am changing this. Here current is decreasing, so I am increasing the frequency. See, I am changing the frequency from around 2.5 kilohertz up to 30 kilohertz. This current is started increasing. Three kilohertz current is 0.66 milliampere. 5 kilohertz current is 1 milliampere. Eight kilohertz current is 2.5. Around 10 kilohertz current is 3.66. Now I am slowly changing the frequency. For 11 kilohertz current is 5 milliampere. See, this is your maximum around 12 kilohertz, and then this again current starts decreasing. See, current started decreasing. So practical frequency is around 12 kilohertz, and theoretical frequency we calculated by using the formula is around 11.2 kilohertz. So this way we have verified series resonance circuit also. Thank you very much.